This is the Dime Travel. It's a bladeless mini multi-tool that's safe for use in facilities that maintain a no-knife policy. It contains butterfly opening, spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, spring-loaded scissors, small and medium flat drivers, tweezers, a fine and coarse file, and a bottle opener. The Dime Travel also features a new standout, a zipper hook, which attaches to a broken luggage zipper and opens your suitcase with ease. Pocket this handy keychain multi-tool whenever you're headed out of town. This is the Dime Travel.
Whether crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding, it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Leatherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday, real life. No matter what real life entails, your Leatherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Leatherman become a powerful force. Leatherman, for real life.